Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to configure your contact us email. So what is a contact us email? Basically when a user goes to your e-commerce website, goes to your contact us page, types a message back to you, then an email is shot out to them saying that we have received the contact. So we can actually go here in your dashboard and see what contact us email goes out to them. So as we can see, we can go into email templates, and once we go into the email templates, you'll be able to go down here and see that this is the contact us email. So when a user basically sends a message to you, they get an acknowledgement with your contact. So it says that thank you for contacting your brand name and such and such. In order to actually edit this, what you can do is you can go in here directly. So from settings, I went to email templates, and in email templates, we came down to contact us email. And let's say we want to change this and we want to remove this. All we need to do is remove this from here. If let's say you need to type out something else, let's say new sale is on, hurry now, limited stock. Now, if this is an email or this is a message you need to send out in the contact us email, all you need to do is type it here and it'll be done. Let's say you actually change this contact us email and you want to reset it. All you have to do is go in here and press reset, and this will reset it to the original one which was previously there. Now, once again, it is very important to understand that this contact us email is sent out to the user only when they go to their contact, and from here when they actually send out this thing. If your contact us page has not been set, or you've not configured it on your website, you don't have to worry about the contact us email because it will not be visible to them at all. That's about it. Thank you.